Please don't scroll. I'm just trying to become a big content creator one day, but I have no supporters, so if you have the chance, please subscribe.